Hold it. Hold it. There you go. There you go.
Okay guys, that brings us to the end of our winter drifting episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think we originally planned to get more shots, but you know, just like arranging time and people and resources to, you know, waste gas for half an hour. And like also the snowfalls, you know, they kind of limited us as to how much we could get done, but you guys seen what we got. We hope you enjoyed it. We also want to give a huge shout out to Chris Virtue. You can check out his Instagram. He was a huge help in shooting a lot of the car-to-car shots. Honestly, wouldn't have been able to get some of those shots that you see there without him. So we want to give a huge shout out to Chris and his mom's van for coming super clutch. But yeah guys, stay tuned for the next video. We got more stuff coming out. Peace.